If you want to create a custom filter in camera on Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all we need to open the camera. Now over here we should be able to tap on this icon over here in the upper right corner, these three circles, which actually look slightly different. And then here, once we open this on the left side, we should be able to find this plus tile. We want to go over here, and then you want to choose the picture that is going to be used as a filter, or a picture based on which a filter is going to be created. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. Then we need to simply wait a couple of seconds, and then we have our preview. We can still adjust and, for example, crop the area that should not be included as a part of the filter creator. And you can also tap on View Original in order to see the difference between the no filter and the filter that is going to be created based on this. You can also change the name of the filter if you want to, and tap on Done in order to save it. You can still tap on the filter again in order to make some adjustments over here to adjust its intensity, for example. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.